So this special SAF helmet padding we custom made for units was this material. So we especially invested in this soft density memory foam, you know, the one that those $5,000 mattress use, that one. So this one will prevent vibration as you run. Our helmet so heavy, right? It point, 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 point. It will not bounce so much, so you don't have that inertia problem. It's like a dampening effect lah. Then behind it, it will be the higher density closed foam. Closed foam is so that one is the one that absorb the impact of those. So mixed together, this one will end up more comfortable lah. That's the cross section of this. So you just simply replace your existing netting. If you are still on the old netting, or you remove your existing, the hard one, you can replace with this. More comfort long term